wondered why we vibe so well with some people and not quite with others? In fact, this is the moment when I realized that this is how the nature of every other thing in the universe is. For instance, magnets love to be with iron, but not with wood. But why are objects magnetic in the first place? Have you seen the movie Matrix? In the movie, to know the truth of reality, you are given two choices. You can either have a red pill or a blue one. In fact, this is too big, but in fact, to know the truth of the magnets, if we zoom in, we find electrons, which are tiny magnets themselves, have two choices with them. They can either have red electrons or the blue ones. Well, physicists would like to call them spin up and spin down electrons, but for the moment, let's keep the jargon aside. If you flock all the red or the blue electrons together, you would get an object like iron, which is magnetic. Physicists call them ferromagnetic. But what about the objects which are not magnetic? Well, there are many ways in which you can place or arrange the red and the blue electrons to get a non-magnetic object. But I feel that there is this one way which is the most fascinating one, and which I am going to talk about today. So in this way, you place the red and the blue electrons alternatively, and the objects having this kind of arrangement are called antiferromagnetic materials. Do you love puzzles? Everyone loves puzzles. So I have this triangle over here. I want you to make an antiferromagnetic arrangement on this triangle. To simplify, the red and the blue electrons should be alternatively placed, right? Let's do it together. So I have this blue electron over here. I put it on the first vertex. What should I place on the second one? Of course, a red one, right? Here we go. Now we are left with one more vertex. So, wait a second. If I place a red electron on the third vertex, I have a blue electron, then I have two blue electrons together. And if I place a red electron on the third vertex, I have two red electrons together. In fact, I can simply never find an alternate arrangement of red and blue electrons. This is known as frustrated magnetism in technical terms. To solve this, physicists have come up with a new phase of matter where these frustrated magnets can release their frustration. And guess what? People are trying to use them to come up with a quantum computer. But all that perhaps sometimes later. Maybe in the next FameLab. Till then, keep shining brightly and keep pineapples away from pizzas. Otherwise, some people can be really frustrated.